If you're following along on our YouTube channel, in one day you'll see there's a lot of videos about this 900 primary all at one time. But we're introducing our Start Fresh system for 2011 through 2014. RZR 900, XP 900. They dropped the XP in 14. Why? I don't know. Same vehicle, just dropped the XP. But nonetheless, 11 through 14, 2-seat, 4-seat, etc. Even Jagged X. We even have something for Jagged X. The only difference between that, the Jagged X and the regular is it uses a 1000 secondary but 900 guts. All right. So when you see options for Jagged X, that's why, and that's the only difference. All right. So what do you get with a Start Fresh on an XP 900 11 through 14? You're going to get a Hunterworks USA made 900 primary. It is the exact same primary as our 1000, but the bore's been changed to perfectly fit your 900 and be in the correct place. It is a Generation 3 clutch, which means it has all the latest and greatest updates that our RZR 1000 has had. This is June 3rd. We've sold over 300 of our 1000s since February 28th, I believe. We've not had to replace one yet. They have been outstanding. You will be getting a identical secondary clutch that you already had because it was a good one. It's team tied, same thing. Buy them. We don't get them directly from team, but through their distributor. It's the exact same clutch that you have, except it has our Hunterworks heavy duty rollers in it. And this setup is the Start Fresh with Dalton. So it is going to have a Dalton clutch kit, which contains primary weights and spring. It uses a stock spring for certain tire sizes. And we're including our less EBS Helix, which we've had forever. It is a stock upshift angle because it is correct. It is less aggressive on the downshift, especially at the 10 or 15 mile an hour where stock will throw you through the windshield, seems like. It smooths that out. It has a two-way bearing in the primary, so you do not get full-on engine braking, which you never had full-on engine braking in this particular model before. There is an option for a different secondary spring. If you have 28 and larger, you go with the stiffer spring option. If you have a 4-seater, you're going to take the stiffer spring option regardless of tire size because your load is the weight. On belts, you'll be using a Hunterworks standard belt, which is the belt of choice that we've been running on this 11 through 14. So that belt does not change. It is just basically more or less the same as what you had, just more reliability, especially in the primary and the outside rollers with the addition of a Dalton clutch kit. Who needs it? The guy who needs all new clutches and wants the best parts available and may have changed tires, etc., run sand, elevation. So Start Fresh for 11 through 14 XP 900. Most everything should be answered on the page on the site where it is. We'll get a link to it. But if you got any more questions about it, Todd at hunterworks.com. Thanks.